Hair serums are a game changer when it comes to achieving smooth, shiny, and healthy hair. Whether you're battling frizz, seeking heat protection, or just looking for extra shine, there's a serum out there for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best hair serums of this year. Each product on this list offers unique benefits for all hair types, so stay tuned to find the perfect match for your hair care routine. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. The Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil is a revolutionary hair serum designed to repair damaged strands while providing a sleek, polished finish. Ideal for all hair types, it's a must-have for anyone looking to strengthen and protect their hair. Key features: this lightweight oil features Olaplex's patented bond-building technology, which works on a molecular level to repair broken bonds in the hair. It also offers heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for styling. The formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, ensuring it's safe for everyday use. Benefits and usage: the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil delivers instant shine and softness while repairing and strengthening the hair. Its heat protectant properties make it a fantastic companion for blow-drying, curling, or straightening. Apply a few drops to damp or dry hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends for the best results. Usability: lightweight and non-greasy, this serum is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated and chemically treated hair. It absorbs quickly and doesn't weigh hair down, making it a versatile addition to any hair care routine. Durability: packaged in a compact, spill-proof bottle, the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil lasts for months with regular use. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, providing excellent value for money. In the second spot, we have Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. The Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum is a cult favorite product known for its ability to tame frizz and smooth hair. Perfect for achieving sleek styles, it's a go-to choice for those with unruly or hard-to-manage hair. Key features: this serum is formulated with lightweight silicones that condition the hair while reducing drying time. It also contains humidity-resistant ingredients, ensuring your style stays in place no matter the weather. The formula is paraben-free and safe for color-treated hair. Benefits and usage: the Super Skinny Serum smooths hair, reduces frizz, and adds a glossy finish. It also speeds up drying time, making it ideal for busy mornings. To use, apply a small amount to damp hair before blow-drying or air-drying for a sleek, polished look. Usability: suitable for all hair types, this serum is especially effective on coarse or curly hair. Its lightweight formula ensures it doesn't weigh down finer hair, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Durability: the Super Skinny Serum is packaged in a pump bottle, which makes dispensing the right amount effortless. A small amount goes a long way, ensuring the product lasts for months, even with regular use. Coming in at number 3 is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. The Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil is a luxurious serum designed to transform dry, brittle hair into soft, silky strands. With its lightweight formula, it's perfect for anyone looking to hydrate and protect their hair. Key features: this serum is infused with a blend of 6 lightweight oils, including coconut, argan, and macadamia nut oils. It provides UV protection, heat protection, and nourishment, all in one product. The formula is free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. Benefits and usage: the hairdresser's invisible oil tames frizz, dead angles hair, and protects against heat damage. It also adds a natural shine and leaves hair feeling soft and hydrated. Apply to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends, for optimal results. Usability: designed for all hair types, this serum works particularly well on dry or damaged hair. Its lightweight texture ensures it's non-greasy, making it suitable for everyday use. Durability: packaged in a sturdy bottle with a pump dispenser, this serum is easy to use and lasts for months. The high concentration of oils means you only need a small amount per application, providing great value. Taking our fourth spot is Kerastase Elixir Ultime. The Kerastase Elixir Ultime is a premium hair serum that delivers exceptional nourishment and shine. Known for its luxurious formulation, it's a favorite among those looking for salon-quality results at home. Key features: this serum combines a blend of precious oils, including argan, camellia, and maize oils. It offers deep nourishment, frizz control, and intense shine. The formula is lightweight and free from parabens, ensuring it's gentle on your hair. Benefits and usage: the Elixir Ultime provides long-lasting hydration, smooths frizz, and adds a luminous shine to the hair. It also protects against environmental aggressors, keeping your hair healthy and vibrant. Apply a few drops to damp or dry hair, and style as usual. Usability: ideal for all hair types, this serum is particularly effective on thick or coarse hair. Its lightweight formula ensures it doesn't leave residue, making it a versatile choice for various hair textures. Durability: packaged in a sleek glass bottle, the Kerastase Elixir Ultime is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Its concentrated formula ensures it lasts for a long time, making it a worthwhile investment for premium hair care. And finally, at number 5, we have Moroccanoil Treatment. The Moroccanoil Treatment is a versatile hair serum that has become a cult classic in the beauty world. Known for its transformative effects, it's a must-have for anyone looking to improve the overall health and appearance of their hair. Key features: this serum is infused with argan oil and linseed extract, both of which provide deep hydration and nourishment. It also contains antioxidants and vitamins to strengthen hair and improve elasticity. The formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and phosphates. Benefits and usage: the Moroccanoil Treatment smooths frizz, dead angles hair, and adds a radiant shine. It also helps to improve manageability and protect against environmental damage. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair for best results. Usability: suitable for all hair types, this serum is particularly effective on dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair. Its lightweight formula ensures it doesn't weigh hair down, making it perfect for daily use. Durability: packaged in a robust glass bottle, the Moroccanoil Treatment is designed to last. A little goes a long way, so even regular use will see the product lasting for months, making it a great value for a premium serum. Hair serums are an essential part of any hair care routine, offering protection, hydration, and shine. From the innovative Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil to the luxurious Moroccanoil Treatment, these top 5 serums cater to all hair types and needs. Invest in the right serum for your hair, and you'll notice the difference it makes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and hair care tips. See you in the next video.